students, welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Maths Online class. Today we are going to see the solving a quadratic equation by formula method. We know the formula, quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Exercise 3.11. Second one, solve by quadratic formula. 2x square minus 5x plus 2a is equal to 0. Right. Here 2x square minus 5x plus 2a is equal to 0 is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, then b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 2. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 2. Then we know the quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. b squared minus 4ac by 2a. Then x is equal to minus b minus of minus 5 plus or minus root of b squared minus 5 the whole squared minus 4ac. a 2, c also 2 by 2a by 2 into a 2, that is equal to minus into minus plus 5 plus or minus root of 5 is a 25, minus into minus plus 5 is a 25, minus 4 is a 8, 8 is a 16 divided by root is a 4, then 5 plus or minus root of 25 minus 16, 9 divided by 4, that is 5 plus or minus 3 divided by 4, because 9 is square number, root of 9 is equal to 3, plus or minus 3, already plus or minus 3. Then x is equal to 5 plus 3 divided by 4 and x is equal to 5 minus 3 divided by 4, that is equal to 8 divided by 4. Therefore x is equal to 8 divided by 4, comma x is equal to 5 minus 3, 2 divided by 4. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 2 comma 2 or 2 comma 1 by 2. That's all. X is equal to 2 comma 1 by 2. Right. Next second subdivision, root 2 into f square minus 6 into f plus 3 into root 2 is equal to 0 is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to root 2, comma b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3 root 2, 3 into root 2. Then quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a by 2a. Then minus b minus of minus 6 plus or minus root of b square minus 6 the whole square minus 4 into a root 2 into c 3 into root 2 divided by 2a. It is 2 into root 2. Then minus into minus plus 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus 4 into 3 12. 4 into 3 12 into root 2 into root 2 2. 12 2s are 24. Then root of 36 minus 24 divided by 2 root 2. Then 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus 24 root 12 divided by 2 into root 2. Then 6 plus or minus 4 3s are 12. Root of 12 is equal to 4 into 3 12, that is equal to 2 into root 3. That is 2 into root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Then x is equal to 6 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 2 or let us just take a simplify. Then here taking 2 as common, then 2 into 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Then 2 cancel. Therefore x is equal to 3 plus or minus root 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by root 2 divided by root 2. Therefore x is equal to 3 plus root 3 divided by 2 comma x is equal to 3 minus root 3 divided by 2. That's all. 36y square minus 12ay plus of a square minus b square is equal to 0. Now 36y square minus 12ay plus of a square minus b square is equal to 0 is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 36 comma b is equal to minus 12a and c is equal to a square minus b square. Here x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. Then x is equal to minus b minus of minus 12a plus or minus root of b square minus 12a the whole square minus 4ac a 36 into c a square minus b square divided by 2a divided by 2 into 36. Then minus into minus plus 12a plus or minus root of 12 plus or 144a square. Automatically then minus plus side minus into minus plus concept minus 4 into 36 4 6 are 24 remainder 2 4 3 are 12 plus 144 into a square minus b square divided by 72 divided by 2 36 are 72. Then 12a plus or minus root of 144a square minus 144a square minus into minus plus 144b square divided by 72 divided by 72. Then 144a square minus 144a square cancel. That is equal to 12a plus or minus root of 144b square divided by 72 divided by 72. Here 12a plus or minus 12b yes root of 144b square is equal to 12 into 12 into b into b. We get 12b. That is plus or minus 12b divided by 72. Here taking 12 as common, 12 into a plus or minus b divided by 72. 2 6 are 12. Then 12 6 are 72. Then 1 2 is 2. 4 3 are 6 2 are 12. Then a plus or minus b divided by 6. That is x. Then x is equal to a plus b divided by 6 and x is equal to a minus b divided by 6. That's all. From third sum, a ball rolls down a slope and it travels a distance d is equal to t square minus 0.75 t feet in t seconds. Given is d is equal to t square minus 0.75 t. Find the time when the distance traveled by the ball is 11.25 feet. That is d. Given also given d is equal to 11.25. Then t square minus 0.75 t is equal to 11.25. Since d is equal to 11.25, then t square minus 0.75 t minus 11.25 is equal to 0. Multiply 100 on both sides. Multiply 100 on both sides. 100 t square minus 75 t minus 1125 is equal to 0. Dividing 25 on both sides. Dividing 25 on both sides. Dividing 25 on both sides. Then 100p squared divided by 25 minus 75t divided by 25 minus 1125 divided by 25 is equal to 0 divided by 25. 125 is 25, 425 is 100, 125 is 25, 325 is 75, 125 is 25, 425 is 100, remainder 12, 125, 525 is 125. Then 4t square minus 3t minus 45 is equal to 0. So here 4t square minus 3t minus 45 is equal to 0 is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 4, comma b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 45. We know the quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then minus b minus of minus 3 plus or minus root of b square minus 3 the whole square minus 4ac minus 4 into 4 into minus 45 divided by 2a. 2 into a 4. 2 into 4. Right. Then minus into minus plus 3 plus or minus root of 9 minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16. 16 into 45. Then 5 6 are 30. Remainder 3. 5 4s are 5 plus 3. 8. 6 4s are 24. Remainder 2. 1 4 4 plus 2 6. Then 0 12 7 20 plus 720 divided by 2 4s are 8. Right. Then 3 plus or minus root of 729 divided by 8. So 729 direct root find out பண்றது கஷ்டம். So 729 divided by 3. 2 3s are 6. Remainder 1 12. 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Again 3. 8 3s are 24. 1 3 is 3. Then 3. 2 3s are 6. Remainder 2 21. 7 3s are 21. 3 9 3 3 3 1. So plus 3 plus or minus root of 1 2 3. So 3 into 3 square into 3 square into 3 square, that is divided by 8, that is equal to 3 plus or minus root of 3 into 3 into 3 divided by 8, that is equal to 3 plus or minus 3 into 9 divided by 8. Then here taking 3 as common, 3 plus or minus 9 3s are 27 divided by 8, that is x. Therefore x is equal to 3 plus 27 divided by 8 and x is equal to 3 minus 27 divided by 8. Therefore x is equal to 30 divided by 8. Then 15 2s are 30, 4 2s are 8. Therefore x is equal to 15 divided by 4 and x is equal to minus 24. Minus 27 plus 3 we get minus 24 divided by 8. 1 8 is 8, 3 8s are 24. Therefore x is equal to minus 3. Then x cannot be negative, so x is equal to 15 divided by 4. Therefore x is equal to 15 divided by 4. Then 3 4s are 12, remainder 3, then 0.0. 7 4s are 28, remainder 2, then 20. 5 4s are 20, remainder 0. Then x is equal to 3.75 seconds. So time cannot be negative. So x is equal to minus 3 is impossible. Therefore x is equal to 3.75 seconds. Next one, example 3.35. Solve 3p squared plus 2 root 5 into p minus 5 is equal to 0 by formula method. Now 3p squared plus 2 into root 5 into p minus 5 is equal to 0 is comparing with ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 3, then b is equal to 2 root 5 and c is equal to minus 5. Now applying the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then minus b minus 2 root 5 plus or minus root of b square 2 root 5 the whole square minus 4ac a3 into c minus 5 divided by 2a. 2 into 3, then minus 2 into root 5 plus or minus root of 2 squared 4 into 5. Root 5 the whole square is equal to 5. Then 4 into 5 minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 16 divided by 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Minus 2 into root 5 plus or minus root of 4 5s are 20 plus 60 divided by 6. Then minus 2 root 5 plus or minus root of 80 divided by 6. Then minus 2 root 5 plus or minus root of 16 5s are 80. 16 5s are 80 divided by 6. Then minus 2 root 5 plus or minus root of 4 into root 5. Then root 16 is equal to 4 into root 5 divided by 6. Here taking minus 2, taking 2 as common. Then 2 into minus root 5 plus or minus 2 root 5 divided by 6. Then 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6 minus root 5 plus or minus 2 root 5 divided by 3. It is x. Now minus root 5 plus 2 root 5 divided by 3 and x is equal to minus root 5 minus 2 root 5 divided by 3. That is equal to root 5 divided by 3. Guess 2 root 5 minus root 5 1 root 5 divided by 3 comma x is equal to minus 3 root 5 divided by 3. Then 3 cancel. That is x is equal to minus root 5. Then x is equal to root 3 divided by 5. Root 5 divided by 3 comma x is equal to minus root 5. Hence x is equal to minus root 5 and root 5 divided by 3. That's all. Example 3.36. pqx square minus of p plus q the whole square into x plus of p plus q the whole square is equal to 0 by formula method. Right. pqx square minus of p plus q the whole square into x plus of p plus q the whole square is equal to 0 is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to p into q, then b is equal to minus of p plus q the whole square and c is equal to p plus q the whole square. Applying the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then minus b minus into minus of p plus q the whole square minus b plus or minus root of b square minus of p plus q the whole square minus 4ac 4 into a pq into c p plus q the whole square divided by 2a. Then 2 into 2a p2 into pq, right? Then minus into minus plus p plus q the whole square plus or minus root of p plus q the whole to the power 4. The square minus को common, minus into minus plus, then p plus q the 2 into p plus q whole to the power 2 into 2 4 minus 4 pq into p plus q the whole square divided by 2pq divided by 2 into pq, that is equal to here p plus q the whole square plus or minus root of here p plus q the whole square as common, p plus q the whole square into p plus q the whole square. So p plus q the whole square into p plus q the whole square, p plus q the whole to the power 4 minus 4 into pq, minus 4 into pq divided by 2pq, 2 into pq, then p plus q the whole square plus or minus root of p plus q the whole square into a square plus b square minus plus 2ab plus 2ab, that is a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into pq minus 4pq, minus 4 into pq divided by 2 into pq divided by 2 into pq, then p plus q the whole square plus or minus root of p plus q the whole square into p minus into p square plus q square minus 2 into pq, that is plus 2pq minus 4pq, we get minus 2 into pq divided by 2 into pq, then p plus q the whole square plus or minus root of p plus q the whole square into p minus q the whole square divided by 2 into pq divided by 2 into pq, then p plus q the whole square plus or minus p plus q into p minus q divided by 2 into pq. The square root automatically remove item, right? Here taking p plus q as common, here taking p plus q as common, either 2 times irukku inga 1 time irukku, then p plus q plus or minus p minus q divided by 2 into pq, 2 into pq, then p plus q into p plus q plus p minus q divided by 2 pq, comma x is equal to p plus q minus p plus q into plus or minus p plus q into plus or minus p plus q into p plus q minus p plus q, that is minus value minus of minus of p minus q divided by 2 into p q plus or minus, so plus lower value minus lower value எடுத்துறோம், then p plus q into p plus q plus p minus q divided by 2pq, comma x is equal to p plus q into p plus q minus p plus q, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus divided by 2pq, then minus p plus p cancel, plus p minus p cancel, also minus q plus q cancel, that is p plus q into 2p into 2p divided by 2pq, then 2p cancel, also x is equal to p plus q into 2q into 2q divided by 2pq, then 2q cancel, 2q cancel. Therefore x is equal to p plus q divided by x is equal to p plus q divided by q, p plus q divided by q, and x is equal to p plus q divided by p plus q divided by b. Hence x is equal to p plus q divided by q and p plus q divided by p. That's all.